We rhythm. Okay guys, so it's really hot here. I'm looking really oily and sweaty and everything, but I think I want to get my hair into something that looks a little bit more lemonade. But if you do want to see how I got my faux locks, I do have a review on my channel. If you want to see how I got my hair like this, you can click the link right here, or it will be in the description bar for you. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get my hair to something that looks a little bit more lemonade. Yeah, and I'll be right guys. So this is a little bit more lemonade, so we can begin now. If you guys are wondering, this is my OMG Queen Brazilian deep wave unit. I'm gonna have the link for that in the description bar also, and I do have a discount code. The video was posted a couple of videos before this one, I think, or was it my last video? But I'm going to leave it linked in the description bar anyhow. So as I mentioned, this is going to be a no brushes, hands only, whatever they call it, challenge scene. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my face, and I'm using the Wet n Wild Coverall primer. I want to run through this as quickly as I possibly can, so I hope you guys can hear me over my fan because it is hot, so I have my fan on. This is a really nice mattifying primer, and it's very inexpensive. Alright, so I'm kind of afraid. I do have wet wipes on hand and paper towel because I kind of feel like I'm not going to mess up, but let's see how it goes. So for my brows, I'm using my Flawless Brow Trio from BH Cosmetics because I've seen everybody use like a pomade type of thing. I'm going to use the brow filler, the wax, this thing right here, the one that's kind of liquidy. So let's see how well that works. Jesus, I'm so oh shit. Guys, this is so awkward, yo, but I think it's going okay. Right? Thank God I already have eyebrows, so I don't have to stress myself out to fill them in. Alright, so I'm going to conceal them. No? Shit, like, let me try to clean up some of the excess that I have so that it doesn't drain onto my concealer. But yeah, I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn to clean up my eyebrows. Just gonna squeeze out a little bit of that on the back of my hand. I really hope you guys can hear me over the fan because it's very hot, so I have to have the fan on. Which finger would I better for this now? I'm gonna use my little finger for that one. So wrong. Oh. Ah, shit. Oh. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so we're going for a neutral eye look, kind of. She had like some brown shadows on, so I'm going to use the same concealer to prime my eyelid. Alright, I'm going into my crease with a reddish brown color, and it's going to be Earth Glow by Milani Cosmetics. I'm just going to take that into my crease, and hopefully it goes where I want it to go, because this is shitty awkward, yo, like. Alright guys, so I have something in my crease. For my lid, I'm going into my Bare palette by Profusion, and I'm taking a dark brown. Yeah, I'm taking this dark brown right here. It's a very, very dark brown. I'm going to pack that onto my lid as my lid color. Kind of blending it out as I apply, because I don't want it to come off like black, because it's a very, very dark brown. Carrying it up a little closer to my crease area to kind of smoke it out. And I think I'm going to take the crease color and like blend it out with the brown in the crease. And just add as much as I want until I feel like I'm satisfied. Alright, so that doesn't look that bad. I'm going to highlight my brow bone with a pressed powder. This one looks good. This one looks okay. Alright guys, me go on alright though. Like it don't look that bad. Right? It can go on. Yeah. Alright, so in her look, she had like her eyeliner was really defined, but of course I can't use a pencil because I'm supposed to use my hands. So I'm going to take some I'm going to take some of my gel eyeliner and try to line my upper and lower lash line without messing up. So I took some out on my finger. Boy. I'm going to line. Oh my god. Oh shit. Alright, I'm just gonna smudge it out. Alright, so I won't be putting on any mascara because I can't put mascara on with my hands. So I'm just going to put my lashes on, but right now I'm just going to clean up a little bit and move on to my foundation. So I'm just going to take a wet wipe and just clean up a little under my eye. And then I'm going to move on to my foundation. So for my foundation today, I'm mixing my Black Up Cosmetics liquid foundation with my Jordana 2-in-1 concealer and foundation. This is a little too light for me, my Black Up. So this is the shade HC27. It's their full coverage cream foundation. I do have a video for the Black Up Cosmetics products, like a review. I'm going to link that in the description bar, as well as all the products that I use in the video. So I'm mixing a little bit. This is full coverage, but the shade isn't 100% right. So I'm just going to mix it with some of my Jordana foundation and see if I can get like a close enough match. I hope it's not too dark. I'm just gonna rub this in like a lotion. Yeah, that's what Aliyah J did. She rubbed hers in like lotion. So let me try to see if it works out for me. And these two actually give very good coverage together. That's nice. Never forget your neck, even if you're using your hands. Alright, so now that we have our foundation on and it's looking okay, I guess, I'm going to highlight my face, and I'm going to use the same LA Girl Pro Concealer that I use for my eyebrows, which is Fawn, and I'm just going to put some of that under my eyes, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and forehead. Just to add some light and some life back to the face. I think this part should be fairly easy. Try not to use too much, because if you use too much, it's going to be so hard to blend it out. This concealer is a little bit thicker than I thought it was. It's a little more blotchy than I want. And the highlight on my nose won't blend out, so I had to wipe some off. And I dried my hands again, because I know I can blend that out. So I'm just gonna press it instead of drag it anymore. Pressing it into my skin. I'm gonna go back into my foundation. Take a little bit of it on my fingers and just see if I can kill that highlight a little bit. Not too much, just to blend out the edges of the highlight. Make it look a little more natural. So, I applied my lashes off camera like I always do. And now I want to set the highlighted areas of my face with my black Opal Deluxe finishing powder. This one is in medium. I have a sponge pad in there. I'm just going to take that out and put some onto the cap. Alright. I think this part is going to be a little tricky. I'm not sure it's going to come out. I hope it doesn't come out too strong, because that would be a hot mess right now. It's going to set those areas. I'm not going to bake or anything like that, but I just want to make sure that all the areas that I want to highlight, that they have like powder on them. But I think for the most part it kind of sets alright. Like, but I'm going to set all of my face with the same powder that I use for my brow bone, which is the Milani pressed powder in deep mineral, the mineral powder. And what I did, I just basically just get my fingers all in there. Oh Jesus. I really hope this don't come out like well. Kind of just wiping it onto my face. Guys, again, I have no idea how this looks on camera, but to me, like right now, I can't really tell. Like it doesn't look that bad, but at the same time it doesn't look really good either. I just hope this shit comes out okay, because I am wasting a lot of makeup by using my hands. I think it looks okay, right? Yes. Alright, so put that back in there. So right now, since I have my powder on, I'm going to contour a little bit with some of the powder that I use for my crease color, which is Earth Glow by Milani. I think I should clean my hands off before I put that color on. I don't want it to be washed out and looking all kind of jacked up, so I'm just using my middle finger to just, oh shoot. Side of my, ooh, okay. Oh my god, guys, like this contour is, I hope you guys can see that. I think I contoured my nose a little too much. Clean my hands off. I can blend that out because that's crazy. Blending it out with the other powder. If I can get a normal looking contour line. Yes. I think I want to try a blush today. I haven't done a blush in a while. I'm using Hot Raspberry by Jordana. It's a pink blush. Really. I haven't used a blush in a minute. Like, pink at that. Oh God. Oh Jesus. Oh Lord. Clean off the excess so I can blend it out, because I ain't finna look like a clown today. Ooh, it's actually very pretty. Doesn't look that bad. Alright guys, that pink blush didn't turn out that bad at all. This is Hot Raspberry by Jordana once again. And I'm gonna highlight my face with I don't know. I'm just taking eyeshadow. At this point, I don't even think it matters. In the video, she didn't really have a highlight. She was in the sun most of the time, so I'm just adding a glow just because it's what I normally do. I'm not even making it too bright. So her lips are kind of like a pale pink. I have this, it's like a pale pink slash brown color that she had on. So I thought I would use this liquid lipstick from Makeup Monsters. I'm going to have a review up on my channel soon. If you're watching this video after the review, will be linked in the description bar. So I just took some of the color out. I put it on my hand and I'm going to now put it on my lips. Hopefully it looks accurate. I need them. Yeah, I don't think I need any more, but I just fix it. Alright guys, so this is how I did with my hands only. This is the final look. Let's make it fun. Grade me out of 10 in the comments and tell me how you think I did. My hands are all dirty now, no brushes, only my hands, and I don't think I did that bad. I think it was pretty cool, but this is definitely a fun challenge. So I tagged like all my fellow Jamaican YouTubers. You guys should try this. This is really fun. And it really does challenge you. Yeah. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.